smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, in the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Since my whip came back in black, I'm starting saying recipes to Bon Scott. Hey, close that door, we blowing smoke. She asked me light a fire like a Marsan. Act a fool on stage, probably leave my fucking show in a cop car.
He's good, he's good.
Hey, shit was legendary through a TV out the window of the montage. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Just do your girl is a groupie, she just trying to get it. Saying I'm with the band. Just stop. Hey, now she acting out of pocket, trying to grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, so I ain't got a man.
Got him!
And they all brought a friend. Yeah, hey.
Yeah, that's right! Bro, shut up. Don't do that shit. We don't do that shit in Milton, bro.
Hey, bro, it's Shirley Brewing. You're up. Come on. Go now.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny, bad bitches jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. Hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks, and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? I ain't with the cake and how you kiss that. Your wifey say I'm looking like a whole snap. Green hundreds in my safe, I got old racks. LA bitches always asking where the coke at. Living like a rock star, smash out on a cop car. Sweeter than a Pop-Tart, you know you are not hard. I didn't make the hot chart, remember I used to chop hard.
Hey, Jay, go throw a Blue Milton, boy. I lost the mag.
No, he's not. That was the worst paddling I've ever seen in my goddamn life.
What?
I have never seen a boat paddle like that in my entire life. Bro, deported. I hope Customs gets her ass.
Yo, look at all those.
Yo, let's go cut around the other side of the building. We got better chance coming around this way.
Hey. All right, so
Somebody stay here.
yeah, somebody say
Yeah, but not us. You got this, Cam. I love you, bro.
Bruh.
got this corner. Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
To do what?
Yo, come over that corner.
Come on, get the guns up.
Hit!
That don't make sense. I thought they were about to play. You're not supposed to shoot.
Yo!
That's out of play, bro.
That's out of play.
You guys are out of play, dog.